Hi everyone, it's Miranda with Multiplicity Crafts, and today I'm coming to you with a quick video to let you know about some awesome Black Friday sales and to answer some questions about my ink Navigator kit that I had received. So you might remember my video that I introduced the ink Navigator kit, and yes, it is available, and this is just a quick recap of this kit. So you get the tool and the ink docking station. And these are ink pad companion tools, and so the kit will come with this handle of sorts. I call it the Ink Navigator tool, and it will temporarily affix to any standard size ink pad, and it pulls away for storage. And so you just pull the lid off of your ink and you can ink up and then rest it on the ink docking station face down in between inking. It's a nice ergonomic design. Now I did get the question if it will fit onto the standard size Distress Oxide inks or just the regular Distress inks. The answer is yes, it will. And that was actually a little bit surprising to me because I wasn't sure if it would, but I tried it and it works. The next question I got was, what if I want to use the Ink Navigator tool with multiple ink pads? Are there refill strips available? And the answer is also yes. There are the refill strips available. And finally, where are the Ink Navigator kits manufactured? And they are manufactured right here in the good old US of A. So they are available for purchase at the Not Too Shabby shop. And if you have any additional questions about this tool, please leave them in the comments below. But the best part is that for Black Friday, they are going to be on sale. Yes, the first time for this Ink Navigator kit to be on sale. So the Not Too Shabby shop is having their site-wide sale for Black Friday. So quantities are limited on this particular item, so be sure to grab yours while you can. And also, I will have a whole list of some wonderful Black Friday sales on my blog, so be sure to check the link below to find all of those sale links. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and that you have a wonderful, fun time shopping for Black Friday. See you next time.